What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, today's video is actually a requested video, which is Pedal Commander versus the iDrive. Now, for those of you that don't know, we have the iDrive in the Power Wagon. I've had it on the truck for about, 7 months now. And then the Pedal Commander's been on the Jeep for going on 2 months. So we've had some time to go ahead and test out both. And I'm gonna give you my thoughts. Stay tuned. So after I describe both and give my opinions on the Pedal Commander and the iDrive, I'm also going to have some footage of the Jeep accelerating as well as the truck accelerating. Now, to be honest, the Jeep is a 2.0 turbo. It is a 2019. It does have the Pedal Commander, and it takes off slightly quicker than the iDrive. Now, the Power Wagon on U9 with the iDrive, it takes off. For as heavy as that truck is, it does take off and it does its job. Now, the price difference is about $100. Now, if you use my code with iDrive, you can make it $120. But by all means, I am not making this lean towards iDrive or anything like that. I'm honestly giving my honest opinion so that way you can make the best choice for yourself. We could have easily gotten a discounted iDrive, put it on the Jeep, but I generally wanted to go ahead and compare the two. When I drive the Jeep, it's not the biggest difference, where 10 being, oh my gosh, the Pedal Commander blows iDrive out of the water as far as response. And 1 is like minimal. I would say it's like a 2. Now, is it worth the $100 difference? In my opinion, no. Definitely save yourself the money. Just go with the iDrive, save the money. They both do the job well. Pedal Commander slight. Another comparison is installation. One might ask, how's the install time for the iDrive and how is the install time for the Pedal Commander? Both took me 5 minutes. Well, the iDrive took me 5 minutes and I was helping my wife. We did a video. I'll link the card above for the Pedal Commander install on the Jeep. But both, it's plug and play, you guys. Now, both actually have the same flaws, and those flaws are the adhesive mount that comes with each kit. Both fell off the same day, and we cleaned it. We prepped the surface. Now, it fell off the Jeep and it fell off the truck. Now, I'm not sure if I'm the only one having this issue, but it's getting a stronger, like more of a 3M mount I use for my camera recording device in the truck. That will work a lot better. But both same flaws, install time's the same. Once again, in my opinion, the winner is iDrive. And also, you guys, real quick, cop your off-road Mopar merch. I'll leave a link down in the description as well. Be sure to check that out, and thank you so much. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, liking, and leaving a thumbs up, and turning on that bell notification. Thank you, guys.